How to watch YouTube videos blocked in your country on mobile. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can watch YouTube videos that has been blocked in your country, or how you can watch a video that you are unable to watch in your country. Now, if you open up YouTube app and if you are trying to watch a certain video and the video is blocked, or it says the video is blocked on your country or on your region, then it means that the video is unavailable in your region. That it might happen due to various reasons. The owner of the video might have made it unavailable on your region, or it might have been blocked due to various other reasons. Now, to watch it, what you can do is simply head into App Store and search in for VPN. You can download any VPN that you want to use, or that you feel comfortable using. I'll just suggest you to use this app called Turbo VPN because it's easy to use. Now, once you download it, open it up and you'll get an interface like this. Once you grant all the permissions, you can easily tap to connect and it will get randomly connected to any VPN. However, if you want to select a particular region, if you are in a particular country, in my case I'm here in Nepal, and if the video is blocked in my country, I will try to switch to the European region by simply tapping on the earth icon at the top right corner beside the crown icon here, and then select United States or any other European regions, and then tap on the free one, and then simply once you tap on it, it'll start connecting itself. And once it's connected, if you head back to YouTube and play the video again, then you will be able to view the blocked video and it will get unblocked. So this way you can watch YouTube blocked videos on your mobile. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.